The next add-on I want to talk about is the speed focus mode. And essentially what this add-on does is allow you to not spend too much time on one card. It will reveal the answer and it can even hit good or again, depending upon how long you've been on that card. I just wanted to show you how you can actually get to the settings for the speed focus add-on. It's a little bit tricky because it's an older add-on. But all you have to do is go into options like you would for any other setting that you're trying to change, but you to hold down shift and then click options. And this will bring up the old dialogue from previous Anki versions. And then you come over to general. And then here you can see you're able to change the timing for each feature. I think 7 seconds after the alert and 10 seconds to show me the answer. Those work for me. That's kept me at about 9 cards per minute, which I feel like is a pretty good pace to where you're not going too fast and absorbing nothing, and as well as not taking too long on a card. If I'm taking too long on a card, that usually means that I'm reviewing it and I'm looking into the extra fields and whatnot and trying to research that. And I really don't feel like I want to be pressured into ingraining some of the extra information that I might have been missing.